Friends, today we are going to discuss on teaching aptitude. Not going more on introduction, straight to the topic. The first one is micro teaching. Micro teaching is done by Dewitt Allen, which helps in self practice and criticism. The students who have completed their B.Ed courses knows more on micro teaching. Same as like taking the seminars in our school days, that this is a teacher training and a faculty development training technique where the teachers review a recording of a teaching session and check what improvement made to their teaching technique. It helps to prepare the teacher candidates to real classroom settings. They will not be afraid on teaching the real students while they are having a micro teaching experience. It is like a demo class. Then it is used in the teaching pre-service education to train them systematically by allowing them to experiment main teacher behavior. In most of the B.Ed courses, they are providing us a teaching practice. This is what meant by micro teaching. Simply, it is a B.Ed experience. In micro teaching, we are having 5 steps in the process. First one, we will be planning. The second one will be teaching. The third one is a feedback. Then we will be having and again a replanning, then reteaching. So the main 3 stages will be prepare micro lessons, which is prepared by the individual. Objective should be cleared. Aids can be used to facilitate the teaching. It includes cards, gestures, drawing on the board, somewhat like that, and 5 to 10 minutes will be the session. Nearly 6, that is the minimum. Then the second point is teaching micro lesson, the school based micro, creative, a positive atmosphere among the participants, interactive stage where the trainees in practice. The last and the final point is the follow-up, analyze, discussion, interpretation and the experience acquired and reflecting on the new experience. I hope the micro teaching is clear to you. Just think about your B.Ed training experience. That is the only thing in micro teaching. Okay. Moving to our next topic, that is heuristic method. Heuristic method is a teacher approach to problem solving, learning or discovery that employs practical method not guaranteed to be optimal or perfect but sufficient for the immediate goal. This heuristic method is helping for a problem solving and a learning or discovery what is the information is, and it does not guarantee us to be the perfect and the best optimal solution, but it is sufficient for the immediate goal. For the immediate action, it is needed. This method is very important. Individual differences within the class best handled by organizing groups in for specific purpose. In our school days, we are having a plenty of projects works. That too, group project works, group seminar works, like that. There will be 6 to 7 members in a group, and there will be 4 or 5 groups in a classroom, and in each group there will be both students who are good in maths, good in English, weak in maths, weak in English, whatever it may be. This will be a mixture. So in this question it has specified that individual difference, the each students are unique and individually they are different. So organizing different kinds of individuals in a group for specific purpose will be more effective, and a more effective class will be focused. Next point is goal of a life skill education framed by WHO is development of adaptive and positive behavior. Last time I gave a bonus tip that always think positive in writing or marking your teaching aptitude question. So apply that formula in this question Choose the most apt and the most positive point from the option and just mark it. Moving to our next one, adolescents are often vulnerable to negative peer pressure due to the answer will be limited life experience and underdeveloped decision making skill. We know that all the adolescent children will be frustrated or becoming angry, sometimes becoming so happy. That is because of their age, that is they are in the adolescent period. So because of their limited life experience and underdeveloped decision making, they are reacting like that. Okay. Moving to the next point, the most important thing for the success of a beginning teacher will be the personality and the ability to relate the class. First, if you are a new teacher, you should attract the students with your personality and the ability and relate the class and make the students more attentive and more impressive to the students. Then only the students will be more eagerly waiting for your class, more attentive in your class, and make sure that an interactive class should be maintained. Then only you can become a successful teacher. The next point is the primary responsibility for the teacher's adjustment lies with. The primary responsibility is with the teacher himself. The simple and very simple question. Okay. Now here comes the basic question. What is the meaning of a learning? The meaning of a learning is modify behavior. Through learning, we will be having more and more knowledge. So through gaining our knowledge, we are modifying our behavior throughout our whole life. Understood? Very basic question it is. You people should score good marks in your coming June Kerala Set 2021 exam, and all the best. That's all for today. See you in the next class. Until my next video, start your preparation and be happy. If you like this video, please like and also please subscribe for more videos relating to SET. Thank you.